on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com, and I want to show you a website where you're going to be able to get free crypto, and you're going to be able to do this every 6 minutes. It's definitely legit. I've been paid by it before. I'm going to show you how it works and how you withdraw and all that kind of good stuff. So first, I'm going to scroll down and show you all the different cryptos you can get: Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Tron. All of these are different ones you can claim. So let's say, for instance, I want to claim Dogecoin. So I'll just click on Dogecoin, and then it'll take me to the next page, and it'll show you the amount that you can claim. And you can do this every 6 minutes. Like I said, right there, the timer. So you'll see right there my current balance that I've already accumulated. So if that's the one that I want, I just scroll all the way down, claim your free Dogecoin, click start claim. And all I have to do is solve this CAPTCHA. That's it. So I'll just enter in market forces. And then when I'm done with that, I just click CAPTCHA is resolved. And there's different things you can do with your balance, but you'll see right there. You can try to double your reward. You can try to, make more with it. But for me, I just like to add it into my balance because I don't want to gamble it away, because you could lose it just as quick as you gained it. So I'll just add it to my balance. And now you'll see here my current balance that I already have, it went up to 0.06. So, I mean, it's just that easy. And like I said, I have been paid by before, so I know it's legit. So I'm going to show you my balances so far and how to withdraw. I actually have Bitcoin and Dogecoin that I've claimed since I've been using it. So I'm going to click on withdraw here, and it'll show you the balances of all the crypto they have available. You don't always have to claim the same one. You can claim different ones, but right now, like I said, it's Bitcoin and Dogecoin. So if I want to withdraw Dogecoin, you'll see here the minimum. There is no minimum if you want to go to gogo.monster. And it's instant. And if you want to transfer it to your regular crypto wallet, it's a minimum of 5 Dogecoin, but that is also instant. It takes like maybe a few minutes for it to hit your wallet once the confirmations are done. Same thing with Bitcoin. There's no minimum for the gogo.monster, but there's a minimum for your regular wallet. So, I mean, that's just how easy it is. Like I said, it's definitely legit. You can claim, as many cryptos as they have. All of them, basically are every 6 minutes you can claim them. Then you can deposit them into your regular wallet, whatever the case may be, and just, make money doing that. It's very simple, nothing involved with it. Just click on that every 6 minutes, or, however much time you have. You don't have to do it like every 6 minutes all day, because nobody has that kind of time. But, just every so often, whenever you're thinking about it, just claim free Dogecoin or claim free Bitcoin, Tron, whatever it is that you like, and just add it to your balance. Take it to your crypto wallet, and you'll make money like that. So I just want to show you that. I will leave the link to this website in the description, allcoins.pw. Very easy to use. Link is in the description. Sign up today, and always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.